Hello and welcome to Athens, Greece. Get ready to dive into the cradle of Western civilization, where ancient history and modern life intertwine. We'll be exploring the iconic Acropolis, wandering through charming Plaka, and so much more. We've got a packed itinerary full of must-see sites and hidden gems. I can't wait to share the magic of this city with you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more incredible travel content. Now let's get exploring. Here we are at the Acropolis, folks, the very heart and soul of Athens. This rocky plateau has been a sacred site for millennia. Imagine the generations of Athenians who've walked this same path. The Acropolis served as a fortress, a religious sanctuary, and a symbol of Athenian power. These ruins have withstood centuries of wars, earthquakes, and time. And look at that view. From here you can see the entire city of Athens. The star of the Acropolis is the Parthenon. The Erechtheion, with its iconic porch of the Caryatids, is another highlight. Take your time exploring the Acropolis and soak in the history. Now, let's talk about the crown jewel of the Acropolis, the Parthenon. This majestic temple, dedicated to the goddess Athena, is considered the epitome of classical Greek architecture. Even in ruins, its beauty is undeniable. Just look at the perfect proportions, the towering columns, and the intricate friezes that once depicted scenes from Greek mythology. It's amazing to consider the engineering genius and artistry that went into its construction over 2,500 years ago. Originally, the Parthenon housed a colossal gold and ivory statue of Athena, a testament to the city's wealth and devotion. Sadly, the statue was lost to history long ago. However, the legacy of the Parthenon lives on, inspiring awe in all who visit. The Parthenon has witnessed empires rise and fall, and it serves as a powerful reminder of the enduring legacy of ancient Greece. Take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale and grandeur of this architectural masterpiece. It truly is a sight to behold. Stepping into the Plaka neighborhood is like stepping back in time. Nestled beneath the Acropolis, this historic district is a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, neoclassical houses, and charming tavernas. Wander for hours, discovering hidden courtyards, quirky shops, and lively atmosphere. Stop at a local taverna to savor authentic Greek dishes, and don't forget to try a cup of strong Greek coffee. The Plaka is also a great place to pick up souvenirs. You'll find everything from hand-painted ceramics to traditional Greek sandals. You might even stumble upon ancient ruins among modern buildings. The Plaka is a living museum, a testament to the city's storied past. So take your time, get a little lost, and experience the authentic spirit of Athens. Our next stop takes us to the temple of Olympian Zeus, a colossal reminder of the ambition and grandeur of ancient Athens. Just imagine, this temple, dedicated to the king of the gods, was once the largest in Greece. Construction began in the 6th century BC, but wasn't completed until the reign of the Roman Emperor Hadrian over 600 years later. Sadly, only 15 of the original 104 colossal columns remain standing, but even in ruin, the temple inspires awe with its sheer scale. Standing amongst these towering columns, you can practically feel the presence of the ancient gods. Close your eyes and imagine the temple in its prime, a dazzling spectacle of marble and gold, a testament to the power of Zeus. The temple of Olympian Zeus may be a fragment of its former glory, but it offers a powerful glimpse into the ambition and architectural prowess of the ancient Greeks. Don't miss your chance to experience this historical treasure. Prepare to be amazed as we step into the National Archaeological Museum of Athens, home to the richest collection of Greek antiquities in the world. This museum is a must-see for anyone interested in delving deeper into the fascinating history and art of ancient Greece. The museum houses artifacts from all periods of Greek civilization, from prehistory to the Roman era. You'll find everything from exquisite marble statues to intricate jewelry, ancient pottery weapons, and even frescoes from excavated houses. Be sure to check out the gold funerary mask known as the Mask of Agamemnon, a masterpiece of Mycenaean art. And don't miss the stunning bronze statue of Poseidon, frozen in a moment of powerful movement. The collection here is vast and varied, offering a fascinating window into the art, beliefs, and daily lives of the ancient Greeks. Allow plenty of time to explore the museum's many galleries and discover the treasures within. For the best panoramic views in all of Athens, a trip up Mount Lycabettus is an absolute must. This limestone hill, the highest point in the city, offers breathtaking vistas that stretch out as far as the eye can see. You can reach the summit by taking a scenic funicular ride, which is an experience in itself. As you ascend, watch as the city unfolds beneath you, revealing its tapestry of ancient ruins, neoclassical buildings, and the sparkling Aegean Sea in the distance. At the top, you'll find the charming Chapel of St. George, a popular spot for weddings and stunning photos. Take a leisurely stroll along the pathways, breathe in the fresh air, and capture those postcard-perfect shots of the city below. Whether you choose to visit during the day for sweeping city views or in the evening for a romantic sunset, a trip to Mount Lycabettus is an unforgettable experience. Now, let's journey back in time to the ancient Agora, the bustling heart of ancient Athens. This sprawling archaeological site was once the city's political, commercial, and social hub, a place where democracy flourished, philosophers debated, and everyday life unfolded. Imagine yourself strolling through the Agora alongside Socrates and Plato, listening in on their philosophical discussions. Picture the marketplace buzzing with activity, vendors hawking their wares, and citizens debating the latest political news. Among the ruins, you'll discover the well-preserved Temple of Hephaestus, one of the best-preserved ancient Greek temples in the world. Be sure to explore the Stoa of Attalos, a reconstructed covered walkway that once housed shops and offered shade from the Athenian sun. Visiting the ancient Agora is like stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into the daily lives and democratic ideals of the ancient Athenians. From the ancient heart of Athens, we now find ourselves in the modern-day center Syntagma Square. This bustling square is the beating heart of modern Athenian life, a place where history and modernity collide. It's also a great starting point for exploring the city. From here, you can easily walk to many of Athens' top attractions, including the Parliament Building, the National Gardens, and the upscale shopping district of Kolonaki. Take a stroll through the National Gardens, a green oasis in the heart of the city, and perhaps spot a flock of parakeets flitting through the trees. Witness the changing of the guard ceremony in front of the Parliament Building, a colorful spectacle that takes place every hour. Syntagma Square is a great place to people watch. Grab a coffee or a bite to eat, and experience the vibrant energy of modern Athens. Well, folks, that's a wrap on our whirlwind tour of Athens. From the ancient wonders of the Acropolis to the charming Plaka and the bustling Syntagma Square, we've experienced the magic of this ancient city. Remember, this is just a taste of what Athens has to offer. There are countless other treasures waiting to be discovered, from hidden tavernas serving up delicious Greek cuisine to world-class museums showcasing the country's rich history and art. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your own Athenian adventure. And until next time, happy travels!